Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we have this interesting this is actually a simple problem, and we are going to solve it using the substitution method. Okay guys, so but first of all, let's make some real and interesting considerations here. We have a square root here, and this number is squared, so it means that we're going to have here that this one here has to be greater than or equals 0, right? Given this, so let's bring this one here to the right side of the equation. So we're gonna have this one here. It's gonna be 20. Sorry, this is gonna be 22 minus x squared, right? So this is greater than or equals 0. This one has to be greater than or equals 0, right? So if this one is greater than or equals 0, so we have 22 minus x squared greater than or equals 0. We're going to send this one to the right side of the equation. Though we're going to have then 22 greater than or equal x squared. This means that x squared has to be less than or equals to 22. So this is important for our solution, right? So now let's solve our equation. We have now then x squared plus square root of 20, square root of x squared plus 20 equals 22. So we can apply different rules here, guys, but let's solve by substitution here, okay? But let me just take this consideration here. I can solve this problem doing this. I'm going to say this is x squared plus 20, okay, plus x squared plus 20, and then this is going to be 20 plus 22. Okay, this one goes with this is 0, right? So I'm going to have x squared plus 20 plus square root of x squared plus 20, and then this is going to be 42. So what I can say here, guys, is that here I can write this one here as square root of x squared plus 20 all to the power of 2, right? Because if I cut this and this, I'm going to get back to this. And then we have here square root of x squared plus 20, and this is equal 42. This is one of the ways we can solve this problem, because we just have to make a substitution. We have to consider that x squared plus 20 equals y, okay? And then we solve this. This is one of the ways, okay? So I'm gonna solve in a different way, because this way is kind of it's cool as well. But let's seek another way to solve this. We could say just x squared plus 20 equals 22. We can say that this one is what? Let's say square root of x squared plus 20. This is going to be y. So x squared plus 20 is going to be y squared, and then x squared is going to be y squared minus 20. So from here we have then that in putting this in our original equation, so where we have x squared here, we're going to replace y squared minus 20 plus y, which is our substitution here, and then this is going to be 22. And then we have y squared plus y. This here we're going to have negative 42, and then this is equals 0. Okay, we would have the same here, as you can see, right? We would have here y squared plus y, and then this will come here as minus 42, and then this is 0. Solve this, replace the values, okay? So guys, this is a second degree equation. By using the both ways, we get to the same thing, right? So now continuing from here, well, this is second degree equation. I'm just going to factor. This is y plus 7, and then this is y minus 6, and then this is 0. And then we have y1 equals negative 7, and y2 equals 6, okay? So now picking these values here and replacing them here in our substitution, here or here, it's going to be the same thing. So what we're going to have is that we have then x squared, square root of x squared plus 20 is going to be equal to negative 7, right, square. Okay, first one, our first y here, but we have to remember that our x squared has to be less or equal to 2023. Let's see what it gives us here. So we have then that x squared here is equal to y squared minus 20, right? Instead of writing this, let's just say that we would have x squared equals to y squared minus 20. So x squared is going to be minus 7 squared minus 20. So x squared is going to be his 49 minus 20, and then x squared, this one here, will give us 29. Based on our condition here, this one here, based on this condition here, okay, this condition here, this one doesn't satisfy our equation, so we're going to reject this one. So let's go to the second one, which is 6, and then we have x squared equals to y squared minus 20, and then we have x squared equals to 6 squared minus 20, and then we have x squared equals to 36 minus 20, and x squared is going to be 16. So from here we get x equals to plus or minus 4. Okay guys, so x1 equals minus 4 and x2 is equal to 4. So these are the solution for our problem, and if we just want, we can check with one of the solutions. Let's pick x2 equals 4. Okay, it doesn't actually matter because all the terms in x are squared, so we have x squared plus square root of x squared plus 20 equals 22. Actually, we can say that x equals plus or minus 4. We can use this one here. So we have plus or minus 4 squared plus square root of plus or minus 4 and the square plus 20 equals 22. Why I'm saying this? Because plus square is positive and minus square is positive. So we're going to have 16 here plus, and then we're going to have the same thing here, 16 here plus 20, and we have 22 here. We got then 16 plus, this is going to be a square root of 36. This is 2, and then from here we're going to have then 16 plus 6 equals 22, and actually we got 22 equals 22. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.